You want to know how to do a 90s blowout? What is better than 90s hair? Big, beautiful, voluminous. That hair is full of secrets. Let's do it. First things first, we need a thickening spray. This is from BLOWOUT, and this is the Raise the Root Thicken and Lift Spray. You really want to saturate the roots so we can get a ton of lift. Work it through. Now we blow dry. You want to get your hair as far off of your face as possible when blow drying it to get the ultimate lift. This combo. I'm even gonna blow dry my hair upside down to get even more volume. There we go. Time for these. Velcro roller. Take this piece while it's still hot, roll it away from your face to get that lift, clip it. Repeat. You want the hair to be as wide as the roller. To get those face framing pieces, I'm rolling under on these around my face. We finish with flexible hold hairspray. While they set, I like to do my makeup. It's like just enough time. So 45 minutes. But the longer you leave them in, the better. An hour is like a sweet spot. Let's take them out. Best one. My hair looks like a wig. I'm gonna add some shine spray. And this is the final look. You could wear it parted down the middle like this. Kind of like it to the side too. I love this hair. It does take some time, but if you've got time, it is so worth it. Big hair is always a yes for me.